Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple of videos today, and somebody wanted to know how you could do a blend that would blend from the edge to the middle and from the edge to the middle so it would look light, dark, light. And this is pretty easily done. So I've taken the center part out. I put it in the center of the page by hitting P. That's pretty important. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to hit P. Now that's the exact center of that. I'm going to take my nudge factor and I'm going to nudge it over 0.02. I'm going to click on my line and I'm going to just move it over slightly. That'll give me more than half. Then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it back, but I need to change my nudge factor to 2 inches. And what I've done, I've created a well. Now I'm going to left click, right click, and I've got a well for my blend to work in. Then I'm going to take a rectangle about that size and about that size. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to nudge my part down. I'm going to make this one a little bit thinner so they'll be more equal. Matter of fact, you could have probably... So on this one, we're going to make a light gray, and on this one we're going to make black. Now I'm going to take both of them and I'm going to no outline. Now I'm going to go to effects, I'm going to go to blend. I'm going to blend it 200 times so I won't have any lines, and there's my new blend. Here's my part, so I'm going to click on my blend, go to arrange, power clip, place inside frame, and now my frame has that. I'm going to nudge it back over to exactly where it was. I can take my line away now. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. I'm going to mirror it, and then I'm going to take that node right there and mark it right there. So now I have a double blend where it goes from light to black. So gray on both sides. And I doubt if I can put it into that same spot. But if you were going to do this, Control G and group it together. Let's get a little bit closer. You can see there's a line there, but it will not engrave like that. Grab that node and pop it in that. We'll have to zoom in a little bit. And then what I would do is have, well, we need to still do those 2 little parts. And I'm a little bit off on some of my parts right there, as you can kind of see. But you could always grab your pick tool and grab that part, grab that node and put it right. It won't exactly snap to it. But you can see now I've got a blend to dark to gray, from light gray to dark and back. And then what I would do is make the outline black and make it a little bit thicker. I'm still using somebody else's program that has millimeters. But anyway, that's what maybe call a double blend. And that would work. And then you would need to fill this in with, a different color. Go to your Smart Fill tool and just fill that. Whoop, got a little leak there, but you see what I'm getting at. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.